In this video, we're going to talk about Elementor on how to change background image. So let's begin. Inside this interface, click this plus sign in the center and choose your structure. After that, go to Style and click Background. And select an image you want as your background. Now click Insert. And once you're done, let's make some adjustments. To do that, go to Layout. For example, the height you want it fit to screen. You can freely do it. Just click it. And now for the position, let's try Center, Center. And for the repeat, click No Repeat. And lastly, the size. Click Cover. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.